Beware. Today, we're uncovering an eye-opening truth that may revolutionize your approach to preparedness. Have you ever considered how you'd care for your family in the event of a sudden crisis? What if grocery stores were stripped bare? Stay with us as we unveil 20 canned foods that boast an infinite shelf life. That's right, 20 items that can remain on your pantry shelves indefinitely. Picture this: a hidden reserve of food that can support you and your family through any emergency, from unforeseen natural disasters to economic challenges. These canned goods are essential for your survival strategy. Let's jump right in. Number 20, Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetable Soup. Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetable Soup is a hearty, robust meal designed to satisfy when you need something that truly sticks to your ribs. This comforting soup is filled with tender chunks of beef, hearty potatoes, and a colorful medley of garden vegetables, all simmered in a rich, savory broth. It's like having a home-cooked meal in a can, ready to serve whenever you need it. Number 19, Sweet Sue Canned Whole Chicken. Sweet Sue Canned Whole Chicken is a marvel of convenience and nutrition, bringing the comfort of a whole cooked chicken straight to your pantry. This fully cooked chicken is tender and packed in rich broth, making it an excellent base for a wide range of recipes, from chicken salad to casseroles and soups. Number 18, Dole Pineapple Chunks in 100%. Pineapple juice. Dole pineapple chunks in 100% pineapple juice add a delightful tropical touch to your pantry. These sweet and tangy treats are packed with vitamin C and natural sugars, making them a nutritious option for snacking or cooking. Perfect for enjoying straight from the can, adding to fruit salads, or using in savory dishes like sweet and sour chicken. These pineapple chunks bring versatility and flavor to your meals. Number 17, Keystone All-Natural Canned Beef. Keystone All-Natural Canned Beef is a game-changer for your pantry, offering high-quality, fully cooked beef that is free from preservatives and additives. This canned beef is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for tacos, stews, sandwiches, and more. Each can contains tender, flavorful beef that's ready to use straight out of the can, eliminating the need for extensive meal prep. Number 16, La Preferida Refried Beans. La Preferida refried beans are a delicious and versatile staple that brings authentic Mexican flavor into your kitchen. These beans are perfectly seasoned and mashed to create a creamy, savory dish that is ready to serve. Whether you're making burritos, nachos, or simply enjoying them as a side dish, these refried beans provide a convenient and tasty option. Number 15, Bumblebee Chunk. White albacore tuna in water. Bumblebee Chunk. White albacore tuna in water is a premium choice for those who value both taste and nutrition. This high-quality albacore tuna is packed in water to maintain its natural flavor and texture, making it a versatile ingredient for a variety of dishes. Whether you're preparing a classic tuna salad, adding it to pasta, or simply enjoying it straight from the can, this tuna is a nutritious option that is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 14, Rosarita Refried Beans. Rosarita refried beans bring the authentic taste of Mexican cuisine to your kitchen with ease. These refried beans are cooked to perfection and seasoned just right, offering a creamy, savory flavor that is ideal for a wide range of dishes. Use them as a filling for burritos, a base for nachos, or simply as a side dish to complement your favorite Mexican meals. One of the best aspects of Rosarita refried beans is their shelf life, which lasts up to 3 to 5 years, making them a reliable and tasty addition to your long-term food storage. Rosarita's dedication to quality and authenticity shines through in every can, ensuring you get a delicious, home-cooked taste every time. Number 13, Goya Black Beans. When it comes to nutritious foods that should find a place in every well-stocked pantry, Goya black beans are a standout option. These beans are not only rich in protein, but also packed with fiber and essential nutrients, making them an invaluable addition to a balanced diet. Goya black beans are cooked to perfection and conveniently canned, ready to be utilized in a myriad of culinary creations. Whether you're whipping up a classic Cuban black bean soup, tossing them into a salad for added texture, or using them as a hearty filling for burritos, these beans deliver versatility and deliciousness in every dish. One of the most impressive aspects of Goya black beans is their shelf life, typically lasting between 3 to 5 years. This longevity ensures that you have a reliable source of plant-based protein at your fingertips whenever you need it. What truly sets Goya black beans apart is their consistent quality and rich, earthy flavor. They are prepared with just the right amount of seasoning, allowing you to enjoy them straight from the can or as a base for your culinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking for convenience, Goya black beans should be a staple in your pantry. Number 12. Crown Prince Natural Fancy White Crab Meat. For those looking to elevate their emergency food supply with a touch of luxury, Crown Prince Natural Fancy White Crab Meat is an excellent choice. This high-quality crab meat is harvested from pristine waters and carefully packed in water to preserve its delicate flavor and texture. The versatility of this product allows you to create delicious crab cakes, add it to salads, or even craft a decadent crab bisque. Its unique ability to bring a gourmet touch to your pantry makes it possible to enjoy the taste of the sea, no matter the circumstances. When it comes to shelf life, this canned crab meat can last up to 3 years, making it a reliable and indulgent choice for long-term food storage. What makes Crown Prince Natural fancy? White crab meat truly stand out is the combination of quality, flavor, and convenience. Each can is filled with premium crab meat, ready to enhance your meals and provide a luxurious option whenever you need it most. Whether you're preparing a special occasion dish or simply want to indulge in a seafood treat, this canned crab meat is a delightful addition to your pantry. Number 11. Hormel Chili with Beans. Hormel Chili with Beans is a classic that never goes out of style. Perfect for those days when you need a quick, hearty meal that warms you from the inside out. This savory chili is packed with seasoned ground beef, tender beans, and a rich, spicy tomato sauce that bursts with flavor. Its versatility means it can be enjoyed as a main dish, used as a topping for baked potatoes, or served as a filling for your favorite chili cheese fries. The shelf life of Hormel chili is equally impressive, lasting up to 3 to 5 years, making it a solid choice for long-term food storage. What truly sets Hormel chili apart is its balance of robust flavors and convenience. It's a ready-to-eat meal that's perfect for any time you need a comforting, delicious dish. So why should Hormel chili with beans be a staple in your pantry? Simply put, it offers a satisfying, easy-to-prepare meal that combines protein, fiber, and bold taste, ensuring you never have to sacrifice flavor for convenience. Number 10. Del Monte Sliced Peaches. For a sweet treat that also packs a nutritional punch, Del Monte Sliced Peaches are a must-have. These peaches are picked at their peak ripeness, sliced, and packed in 100% juice, capturing their natural sweetness and flavor. Whether you're enjoying them straight from the can, adding them to a fruit salad, or using them as a topping for yogurt or ice cream, these peaches are a versatile addition to your pantry. Del Monte's commitment to quality shines through in every bite, offering a delicious, preservative-free option for your fruit cravings. Their shelf life is remarkable, lasting between 5 to 10 years, making them a great long-lasting fruit option. So why should you stock up on Del Monte Sliced Peaches? They provide a burst of natural sweetness, essential vitamins, and minerals, along with the convenience of being ready to eat, making them an excellent choice for snacks or meal additions. Number 9. Amy's Organic Lentil Vegetable Soup. Amy's Organic Lentil Vegetable Soup is a wholesome, hearty meal that brings the goodness of organic ingredients straight to your pantry. This nutritious soup is crafted with a blend of organic lentils, carrots, celery, potatoes, and spinach, all simmered in a savory vegetable broth. It's an ideal option for a quick and satisfying meal that's ready in minutes, perfect for busy days or emergencies. The shelf life of Amy's organic lentil vegetable soup is quite impressive, typically ranging from 2 to 5 years. Amy's commitment to organic and non-GMO ingredients ensures that you are getting a high-quality, flavorful product without any artificial additives. Why should Amy's organic lentil vegetable soup be in your pantry? It's a nutrient-dense and delicious meal that is easy to prepare, providing you with a convenient and healthy option for those hectic days or emergency situations. Number 8. StarKist Chunk Light Tuna in Water. StarKist Chunk. Light tuna in water is a pantry staple that combines convenience with nutritional value. Packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, this tuna is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. From classic tuna salad sandwiches to casseroles and pasta dishes, StarKist tuna offers endless possibilities for meal preparation. Each can is filled with tender, flavorful tuna that's ready to eat or easily incorporated into your favorite recipes. The shelf life of StarKist tuna is impressive, lasting up to 3 to 5 years, making it a reliable option for long-term food storage. What distinguishes StarKist tuna is its commitment to sustainability and quality, ensuring that each can provide a healthy and delicious choice for your meals. Whether you're preparing a quick lunch or an elaborate dinner, StarKist Chunk Light Tuna in Water is a versatile ingredient that deserves a place in your pantry. Number 7. Bush's Best Baked Beans. Bush's Best Baked Beans are a classic comfort food that brings a touch of sweetness and savory flavor to your meals. These beans are slow-cooked with a blend of brown sugar, bacon, and spices, resulting in a rich, hearty dish that can be enjoyed as either a side or a main course. Their versatility means you can serve them at a barbecue alongside grilled meats or enjoy them on their own for a simple yet satisfying meal. The shelf life of Bush's Best Baked Beans is equally impressive, lasting up to 3 to 5 years, making them a dependable addition to your emergency food supply. What sets Bush's Best Baked Beans apart is their perfect balance of flavors and the quality of ingredients used. They provide not only comfort and satisfaction, but also a reliable source of nourishment that can enhance your meals over time. Number 6. Libby's Pumpkin. You might not immediately consider canned pumpkin as a vital prepper food, but it deserves a spot in your pantry for its versatility and nutritional benefits. Libby's pumpkin can be used in a wide range of recipes, both sweet and savory. Whether you're baking a classic pumpkin pie, whipping up a hearty pumpkin soup, or even blending it into a smoothie for an extra boost of nutrients, this ingredient is adaptable to many dishes. What makes Libby's pumpkin a standout addition is that it's packed with vitamins, including vitamin A and dietary fiber, providing essential nutrients for a well-rounded diet. This can be particularly important when fresh produce isn't available, such as during an emergency situation. Libby's pumpkin also has an impressive shelf life. With proper storage, canned pumpkin can last over 10 years, which is exceptional for a canned vegetable. The key to Libby's quality is its purity. It's made from 100% pumpkin, with no added preservatives or fillers, making it a healthy and clean option. Whether you're looking for a nutritious meal enhancer or a versatile ingredient to add variety to your emergency food stash, Libby's pumpkin should not be overlooked. Number 5. Goya Coconut Milk. Goya's coconut milk is another must-have for your pantry, especially for those who enjoy cooking international or exotic dishes. This canned coconut milk adds a rich, creamy texture to a variety of recipes. From crafting a flavorful Thai curry, to blending a tropical smoothie, or making dairy-free desserts, Goya coconut milk brings a luscious, velvety smoothness and a hint of sweetness to your meals. This versatility allows you to elevate your cooking with ease. The shelf life of Goya coconut milk is typically between 5 to 7 years, making it a dependable option for long-term food storage. The high quality of Goya's coconut milk sets it apart from other brands, as it is made from ripe coconuts, ensuring a smooth, consistent texture and taste. Whether you're looking for a dairy-free milk alternative or a flavorful addition to your cooking, Goya coconut milk is a pantry essential that can last for years without losing its quality. Number 4. Spam. Spam has long been a pantry staple, and its popularity in emergency preparedness is no surprise. This classic canned meat is made from a blend of pork and ham, seasoned and cooked to perfection, and preserved for long-term storage. It's incredibly versatile, whether you fry it up for breakfast, add it to a sandwich, or use it as a protein source in a variety of recipes. Spam provides a convenient, ready-to-eat option when you need a quick, satisfying meal. One of the biggest advantages of Spam is its impressive shelf life. When stored properly, it can last up to 5 years or even longer, which makes it a valuable asset in an emergency food supply. The convenience of having a ready-to-eat protein source that doesn't require refrigeration is a key reason why Spam has endured as a popular choice for preppers. Its distinct flavor adds a nostalgic, comforting touch to meals, making it both a reliable and enjoyable food option. Number 3. Mackerel in tomato sauce. While mackerel may not be as well known as tuna or salmon, it is an incredibly nutritious and protein-rich fish that offers great benefits for long-term storage. Packed in tomato sauce, canned mackerel is not only delicious, but also versatile. You can enjoy it straight from the can, mix it into a salad, or use it as the base for a hearty fish stew. The rich, oily flavor of the mackerel is complemented by the tangy, savory tomato sauce, making it a flavorful and satisfying option. In terms of shelf life, canned mackerel in tomato sauce can last between 3 to 5 years, making it a great choice for emergency preparedness. What sets this canned fish apart is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients, which are vital for a balanced diet, especially when fresh seafood is unavailable. This makes mackerel in tomato sauce a valuable addition to your pantry, providing a long-lasting, nutrient-dense protein source that enhances both your meals and your nutrition during times of scarcity. Number 2. Progresso Traditional Chicken Noodle Soup. Few things are as comforting as a warm bowl of chicken noodle soup, and Progresso's Traditional Chicken Noodle Soup brings that comfort right to your pantry. Made with tender pieces of chicken, hearty vegetables, and noodles, all in a savory broth. This canned soup is perfect for those days when you need a quick, satisfying meal without much effort. Whether you're feeling under the weather, dealing with a storm, or simply craving a taste of home, Progresso Chicken Noodle Soup is a reliable, ready-to-eat option. Progresso sets itself apart by using no artificial flavors or colors, ensuring a wholesome meal every time. With a shelf life of 2 to 5 years, this soup can be a reliable staple in your emergency food supply. It's convenient, delicious, and provides the comfort of a home-cooked meal when you need it most, whether you're facing a power outage, illness, or just want a quick and nourishing meal. Number 1. Contadina Tomato Paste. Contadina tomato paste is a small but mighty pantry essential. Made from vine-ripened tomatoes that are cooked down into a thick, concentrated paste, it adds depth and rich flavor to a variety of dishes. Whether you're preparing a savory pasta sauce, a hearty chili, or a flavorful soup, tomato paste is a versatile ingredient that enhances the taste and richness of your meals. What's particularly great about Contadina tomato paste is its longevity. This canned product can last up to 10 years when stored properly, ensuring you always have a concentrated source of tomato flavor on hand. The purity of Contadina tomato paste is another reason it's a must-have. Made with only tomatoes and a pinch of salt, it contains no preservatives or artificial ingredients. This makes it a clean, flavorful addition to your pantry that can elevate a wide variety of dishes over time. That is all for today, guys. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.